Align lock body with installer, press to install. Do not reverse. Align thick side of latch toward hook, press into installer. Check installation conditions first. Align assembled parts with cabinet edge and paste. Peel off latch sticker. Install at marked position. Peel off lock body sticker, close and open door to fix. Hold one side of installer, rotate slightly inward to remove. Push lever down, latch pops up. Close door gently. If it won't open, installation is correct. Press firmly for better adhesion. Paste key out of baby's reach. Peel off base sticker. Stick to desired position. Align key with lock, unlock and pull out with door. When baby is away, push lever up for pass-through mode open or close freely without key. Push lever down to activate lock mode. Door can only be opened with key.